Step into the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.